Hello, I'm Zoe from Vigorun Tech. We are a professional machinery manufacturer. Now let me introduce our company to you.
Vigorun Tech is a professional machinery manufacturer. The main products are remote control lawn mower and remote control transport chassis. Compared with similar products, our price and quality advantage is significant. Based on a deep understanding of the machines, our research and development department will continuously upgrade and enhance the products. We provide efficient and thoughtful after-sales service. Customers can communicate with us online. We will answer questions and provide technical support in a timely manner.
Our vision is to make the most desirable lawnmower on the market. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Welcome friends from all over the world to cooperate with us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.